Hi everyone, and thank you so much for coming to this video. And here is the another demo of an AI audit use case, that is the AI knowledge assistant, and it's called Audit Assist AI knowledge assistant. Now, this AI knowledge assistant will act as your personal audit advisor to get fast, secure answers, and it is a chatbot developed for the internal audit department, where the data privacy, confidentiality uh, is the main factor, and like uh, internal audit department want AI, they need AI processes, but they just fear that using the traditional AI solutions like OpenAI or Cloud AI may expose their sensitive data through API calls and creating compliance risks and potential data breaches worth millions in penalties. So this audit chatbot can read any document, like any PDF document, any policy document, and it can save you over 20 hours per week. It can get you 90% faster searches with 100% data privacy, and there is no internet required. So now, one of the benefit of this solution that I have deployed is that it is a zero risk AI solution. It is a local rake deployment with complete offline operations. Like, your data will stay on premises in your computer on your servers. It will not be leaked or exposed to the internet, and it can be an enterprise grade AI solution. With the cloud AI like OpenAI Cloud or any Gemini solutions, uh, these models, there is some data that there can be data privacy issues, data sent to external servers, there can be regulatory exposure, compliance risk, it requires content connectivity, there are ongoing costs like API charges and third party access, there can be. But with the Audit Assist AI local solution deployed using Olama, it is 100% on premises, zero compliance risk, fully offline capable, one time setup cost, and complete organizational control. So it's a really great solution for the internal audit departments. Is their main issue is the data privacy and data management. And confidentiality. So what how this audit AI is going to work? Uh, you need to upload a document, and this document will be converted into vectors, and it will be stored in a vector storage like ChromaDB. Uh, like, it creates the searchable embeddings locally, and then when you ask, then Olama processes queries without needing internet, and also it can provide you instant answers with source documentation. It is created using Olama, local LLM, ChromaDB, Streamlight UI, the user interface, and the coding with the Python, and the LangChain for the framework for the rig. And these are the advantages with the data sovereignty and 100% on-premises operation, audit acceleration, intelligent insights, and also it is cost efficient, no ongoing API costs. And one thing that it needs from you is a fast machine, because with a local machine, if the RAM is low, then it may take time to process the queries. So just I will show you that this is the document we want to read, and we want to chat with this document using this internal audit AI knowledge assistant. And first of all, uh, just let us go through this user interface, this chatbot. Here you can upload the documents, limit 200 MB per file, and here is about the assistant. Also, you can initialize the assistant here. You can clear the chat history, clear all the documents, and you can ask the answer. But first, you need to upload the PDF. So let me browse, and now I have uploaded, and I will process the document, and this document has been processed. Now I will initialize the assistant, because please initialize the assistant using sidebar, and I will initialize the assistant. Now I will ask the answers from this document. I will chat with this document, Just press enter, and now it is going to analyze the document. It may take some time depending upon the speed of your machine, the RAM of your machine. Now here is the detailed response provided by the document, and we can also ask some more questions from this document. Just let me ask one more question from this document, and it provides a detailed answer. And also you can have session statistics, total messages, your questions, your AI responses, and documents loaded, because we have only loaded one document. And at the same time you can load as many documents as you want. And like for example, you upload all the policies documents, all the frameworks documents, and each and everything, and then you can just chat with this AI assistant, and it is going to provide you all the answers. Now, here is the answer provided from the document, and along with the document page number 6, also the page number 11 and page number 24. So that's how detailed answer it is providing, and total messages, your questions, AI responses, and one document is loaded. Now, also if you want to clear the chat history, then you can also click on the clear chat history, and the chat history will be cleared. And also you can clear all the documents, and all the documents uploaded will be erased. So this is how in internal audit AI knowledge assistant works, and this is completely like a local rake AI chatbot, and your data is not going to leak anywhere. It will completely stay on your system. But the speed of this chatbot and how fast this chatbot is going to provide you answers will depend upon the speed of your machine. So thank you so much for watching, and stay tuned for other demos.